Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check your LENOVO V15 manufacturing date. The manufacturing date of your device is physically located on the back cover of your device, so let me just turn this laptop around for you and let's check the back cover of this device. Now if you take a closer look right here, you will find the string saying MFG date, maybe like this, which will be more visible. MFG date, and MFG date is the manufacturing date of your device. So for me it's I can hardly see it from here, but I suppose it's 6th of December 2023, if I'm not mistaken. No, it's 1st of December 2023. Yeah, that's where you find your device's manufacturing date. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.